The Christmas tree. See the Christmas going on here? Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be this look right here. It is actually my holiday inspired makeup tutorial. If you're interested to see how easy and really easy I kind of achieved this look, then please just keep on watching. Also make sure if you enjoy videos like this to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for any future videos that I've coming up. Make sure you turn on that notification bell. Lord Jesus, how many more YouTube are y'all gonna make us add here, okay? And yeah, without further ado, let's jump right into this video. All right, you guys, I already have primed my eyelids here, and I did that with the NYX Prove It. I actually like that base. I'm mostly gonna be using my Urban Decay Born to Run palette. I did use Riff at first, and what I did is I pretty much just applied that right over the crease. You don't want to take it too far down just because there's going to be, you know, a little bit more of deeper shades you're going to add a little bit lower. So you want to start not too high, but I would say a little bit above the crease. The next shade that I went in with was A Good As Gone, which is this pretty deep dark brown, I would say. And yeah, I just used a brush that was a little bit more pointed and pretty much went over the shadow that I just created, but I just put in a little bit more dimension. Next, I went in with a Punk, which is, it kind of reminds me of, oh my gosh, what is the shade name from Anastasia Beverly Hills, whatever, like this really nice, warm, deep brown, cocoa brown color. And I used this really small brush, and now this is pretty much the deepest shade of your crease. So you want to go as low as you want to, but remember, wherever you put the shadow at, the darkest shade is pretty much where your crease is gonna be appearing, okay? Next shade that I went into was this shade called Abasia, and this is pretty much like a pretty bright orange. And what I did with that, I just pretty much mixed everything together. Going back into Riff and just applied a teeny tiny bit on this really fluffy brush just to make sure again that there are no harsh lines. Pretty much when it comes to eyeshadow, you guys, all it comes down to is just blending. The more you blend, the more professional and the more beautiful your shadows are gonna look. So then I went ahead and applied some BH Cosmetic Base Booster Glitter and Shadow Glue. And yeah, you just want to put that wherever there is no shadow, because that's where the beautiful sparkly type of, oh my gosh, beautifulness is just going to be applied. And the glitter that I'm going to be using today is by LA Splash Cosmetics, and it's the crystallized glitter. And you guys, I'm telling you this, I mean, you can tell, like, look at this, like, it's just like pretty much like a disco ball all over your eyelids. I love it. For lashes, I applied this Kiss Lashes in the style Noir, which are honestly one of my favorite lashes. I keep repurchasing them, and they, I don't know, like $3–4. Super inexpensive, and you can reuse them a few times. I think they are appropriate. They're never too much, but they're never not enough. Beautiful lashes. If you can see them, you should definitely snatch them up. Alright, short dance break here, okay. Went back into Riff, which was pretty much the lightest shade that we applied, and just applied it all over on the lower lash line. I wanted to keep the lower lash line pretty clean. I didn't want to do too much just because I kind of like that look. And went back into this pointed brush and applied the color Punk, but only on the outer V, only on the outer lower lash line. That's what I was trying to say, because I feel like it kind of just pulled up the eyes a little bit. as a highlighter, I applied this one by Wet n Wild, which is the Mega Glow highlighting powder in the style, honestly, Crown of My Canopy. Beautiful, beautiful. You do have to build it up a little bit. As you can tell, it's not one that you just swipe on and it's just bam out there, but once you put it on, it looks really beautiful, really natural, and I just felt like the color fit perfect to the eyeshadow. On my lips, I applied my all-time fave lip liner, you guys. I already just repurchased this because that is how much I love this lip liner, okay? It's by Jordana, the Easy Liner in the style Coco Loco, you guys. I cannot tell you, like, I actually really don't want to use anything else. That's how good it is. And filled in my lips with the Ken Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick, Bow and Arrow. And tapped it off with some lip gloss. It's pretty much like a pearl lip gloss by Lancome, but I just didn't really have the name rubbed off, so I can't really tell you. But that was it pretty much, you guys. Really easy. I think it's a perfect holiday look. It's enough but not too much. Love you guys. Bye.